Hey guys, got some new parts for the Hondas. So today I'm going to start fitting up these bits. Got a new shift lever and a new brace for the little 110, and I got some bits for the 300 as well, but today we're going to focus on this one. I reckon the first step is let's get this shifter off. So, I'm going to guess it's a 10mm, and we'll take that off, and then we'll probably have to take this cover off, I reckon, and we'll have a look, see what we got. Alright, this little bolt here, it is a 10mm. I just checked and confirmed. Once you got your little 10mm bolt out, this is just on a spline. You might have to give him a bit of a wiggle. Bang, off, done. Chuck that away. Alright, I reckon we're going to have to pull this off next. There appears to be two of those bolts for that cover, and they look like they're 8mm. There is one there, and it looks like there's one just down the bottom. So we'll take those out real quick. Oh, we'll do the shift shaft brace first, and it's a Osmini's one. This is what the brace looks like. So let's have a look. That'll slip over there, and I reckon go back to that bolt and that bolt there. That little bolt in there as well. So we will take them out. These two bolts are also 8mm. Oh. So crack that one. It comes with new bolts, and they're slightly longer. So I was going to reuse the old bolts, but we might put the new ones in. We got an issue. Test fitting this, these holes don't line up. They're both out a little bit. So what does that mean? Does it mean this shaft is unfortunately already bent, which is, you know, why I was putting this on, to prevent this. Gonna have to have a think about this, whether we need to look at replacing this shaft on this motorbike before we keep going. Right, that shaft was definitely bent. So I had a big breaker bar. I've just kind of just kept on nudging it, got it pretty bloody close, so it looks like the shaft's going on. I had the brace for the shaft's going on now, so it looks like the brace is going on, because that one's, you know, a bit of the way in, and that one's pretty much all the way in. So I'm going to do them up, and I'm going to just check that the gears and that still seem to work. But yeah, otherwise I'm going to have to pull the whole shaft out and replace it, which is a pretty big job. Well, I'm guessing the old lever was bent to the shit house as well, because check this out. go to put him on, and that's hitting on the case, and that's not even on properly. So we'll grab our new shifter and we'll chuck that on and have a look. I just test fitted this RHK lever. So far it looks like it's going up and down, so I'll probably just chuck it on there, and I guess I'll really just have to test ride it and make sure it's changing through the gears and don't have any issues. So the same as the other shifter, it's just got a bolt, like a pinch bolt, though on this one it is 8mm, not 10mm. So that's into first. That's back down to neutral. So it's a bit late now to start it up and take it for a ride, but hopefully it'll work. So this plastic cover, just this bottom corner here, hits on the brace. So we'll quickly cut that out. Now, just going to do this with the tin snips. I've already cut that way. Just going to cut that one there. Alright, let's see if it fits now. Well, it would appear that it fits. Well, that's it. She's all back together. I haven't used any Loctite yet, or I haven't torqued the bolts. I've got to see if they've got a set torque that they got to be, but I'll make sure it's all changing gears and working before I do that. I'll quickly show you around the bike anyway. So it's a Honda CRF110. Pretty sweet little bike. This is the one that I got for Ellie to ride. Got a Pro Circuit exhaust on it. So yeah, that's it. I'll probably put some new tyres on it soon and give it a bit of a spruce up. Alright guys, thanks for watching.